So, as you can see, I get a little dirty at work. Got some grease, got some up here, over here, and I've been using Awesome for over 10 years. I just want to do a little bit before video, and then I'll spray some on, wash it, and show you the after. So, like I was saying, just spray some Awesome all over the marks. I just take a washcloth, work it into the areas, and you can see it's looking much better already before the washer. And like I've mentioned, it's just regular Awesome, bought at Dollar General. And I believe this vest, it's probably around 3-4 years old. I normally wash it at least once a week. Right now I have a different load in the washer, so after I wash this, we can see the results. Here is another vest working this week. It's not nearly as bad as you can see, but it does got a little areas there. So we'll do the same. Put a little Awesome on it. Take the washcloth, rub the areas, and throw it in the washer with the other one. Well, fresh out of the washer, I'm telling you guys, Awesome is, I guess, just awesome. I mean, while they're not brand new again, but pretty darn close. I mean, you can see just a little bit right here, but definitely much, much better. So I know a lot of people get dirty while they're working on their clothes, uniforms, whatever. Just get some Awesome, spray it, scrub it in a little bit, throw it in the washer, and here's the results.